quite some time. I know you were about to talk about it as well.
Yes, everybody in a burn ban now. There was one county that was left out last week. That has now been added. That's Brazoria County. And when we talk about the fire danger for today, even though we have a chance for some rain, it's still some very dry air in place, Sam. And you can see that our fire danger map is definitely on the brighter side with very high possibility of fire danger north of I-10. We also have a few counties in our northern counties north of I-10 that are under a fire weather watch. So College Station, Montgomery County, San Jacinto, Polk County, very high fire danger today because of those dry conditions. It is still going to be extremely hot today, and with a lesser chance of seeing some wet weather play out across your neighborhoods, that increase in fire danger is no doubt going to continue. Here you can see the fire weather watch from noontime today through this evening, the combination of not only the hot and dry weather, but also some strong winds. Breeze coming in out of the north behind the front between 5 to 15 miles per hour. That's going to reduce the humidity, potentially in some spots less than 20%. We still have heat advisories and excessive heat warnings for today, but it looks like we're in the clear, at least for our northern counties. Out the door this morning, temperature readings have fallen in the mid-80s. Get ready. By tomorrow, we could see those temperatures fall below 80 degrees, somewhere in the upper 70s along I-10. But those of you up north, you could be benefiting with not only the drier air, but also some cooler conditions where we could be dealing with morning temperatures tomorrow in a few counties in the upper 60s. So something to look forward to with a summer's version of a cool front. Here you can see temperature readings right now are in the upper 70s, mid-80s in College Station. Still no sign of the front making its way into southeast Texas. That's okay. It is going to be pushing through the area, eventually making its way through our coastal communities. So a very weak front when it comes to any sort of precipitation, but there is some drier air behind this. Right now, just some scattered clouds along the front, some light rain showers basically east of the Lone Star State. Now, as that front draws closer and it combines with the sea breeze this afternoon, you'll first notice some clouds starting to bubble up. And within those clouds and enough moisture in place, there will be a few spotty rain showers. A few of those showers could eventually blossom into some thunderstorms, that front offering enough lift for those thunderstorms to blow through. Some of these thunderstorms could be on the strong side, winds gusting 40, 50 miles per hour. Yes, that will be a possibility, but the best chance of seeing that rain will be closer to the coastline, lower chance the further north you go. Okay, I know I've been excited to tell you this. The dew point forecast, the amount of moisture in the air, you can see it shrinking as the drier air blows in. The lower the number, the more comfortable it is going to feel. And I've got a comfortable morning for you. If you haven't been getting your early morning walks in because it's just been too brutal, miserable, tomorrow is going to be different. You've got dew point temperatures dropping into the 50s, and that dry air potentially could last through the afternoon. So enjoy tomorrow because it all comes back. The humidity comes back as we get into the latter half of the week. Quickly want to mention the tropics because we're going to be monitoring a couple of tropical waves out there in the far Atlantic, and that deep moisture is going to travel into the Caribbean, into the Gulf of Mexico, potentially bringing us our next best chance for seeing some widespread showers. Right now, we've got